Oh yeah, you know what time it is. Back with another video. We are going to test if we can fit an 18-inch pizza into the NSX. So let's go see if this thing will fit. All right, so here's the pizza, here's the trunk. Bingo. Can we fit it? Nope. Oh, wait for it. Oh my goodness. Hot pizza delivered. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's time to go home. All right, obviously we cannot drive home with the pizza on top of the engine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pizza, and my lovely assistant wife here is gonna be our transporter of this pizza. And there you have it. So if you ever get an 18-inch pizza, this is what it looks like in the car. So yeah, as you can see, a giant pizza doesn't actually fit into the trunk, but you can still get it home and enjoy it with your family, your friends, whoever. Thank y'all for checking out this video. We'll catch you on the next video that shares the practicality of using this vehicle as a daily driver. See you guys later.